What's up, everybody? Last night we got the engine and trans out. Boy, did that fight. Did not want to come out whatsoever, but got it out. The video that I was trying to get for a long form video didn't happen. So I don't have any video of us actually getting it out. Camera died. Also don't have a whole lot of footage to put in a long form video at the moment, so later this week, probably next weekend, is when that would go out. And YouTube shorts here, like 1,000 of you guys. Last time I announced that I was going to post a long video, like 1,000 of you saw it, and quite a few people liked it and then never went and watched it. So this time I would like if y'all followed through on it, on stuff. But regardless, it'll be up at some point, and I'll announce when that's going to be.